Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds BELKIN SoundForm ClearFit from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds, and at the third line we have a button Disconnect. So you need to tap at this button, but before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So when you select to disconnect your earbuds, you click at this button and you will stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair your earbuds and you click at the Forget the Device button, you will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. So if you need this, just tap at another button. But let's disconnect it. Now, as I said, I stop Bluetooth connection with them, but still have it at the device list, and I can easily reconnect them. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like for the video. See you later!